Hey, welcome back to another day. Life of Kids. So, well, we got some packages. There's the packages. Well, we got to open these packages and see if this, I think it's called the idler pulley. Remember we changed that alternator on that last vlog. Let me turn some lights on here. We changed the alternator on that last vlog. It's a whining noise. And my belt got a little squeak to it, but I need to change that belt anyway. But let's see here if I can show it to you. We're gonna change the pulley right here. To the bearing, I think going bad because it got a little whining noise. So I think the bearing going bad. So let's open this package up, make sure it's the right part. But we can get started. Then we're gonna start taking stuff apart. Let's see here. Crazy thing now, all those only had this thing for like $30, $40, Amazon, $19. It's an AC deco part. But let me get this other thing out of here. I gotta change it. Make sure it's the same. This other one. Let me tell you something. I bought this at AutoZone. $40. I ain't know why I ain't wait to order this off Amazon. The same exact thing. $12. So put both of these in the same bag. I ain't tackling this today. You gotta take the whole day. These ambient light sensors. You gotta take this whole top of the dash out to lift it up to get them things out. They way back up in there. But we're not doing that today. We'll stick this right on back. And now, and yeah, see, this is a bearing. And it's pressed in there. So it ain't like you can replace the bearing. So all I do is spin, hold tension on the belt. That's what I do. But let's start taking this stuff apart. So here, I think that's the 8. One sucker there. Damn, I just had this sucker. Here it is. We just took this stuff off the other day. Now we're taking it right back off. Alright, we can get this intake off. Intake. Just sit up right there. Yeah, that's it. That right there. So I suck at that thing tight. We ain't never found that nut. It probably fit out. It probably fell out. But I know we're gonna be replacing this water pump soon. Yeah. Let me get some wrenches. see that thing. Nope. But anyway, let's get this new one on there. Got it on there like that. So we get this thing screwed back in here. Wait and get it started. Wrench on there, tighten it on back up. Easy peasy. Trying to get some leverage here so I can hold on to it. Get one more little half turn, quarter turn. That should do it. Let's get this darn belt back on. Make sure all of them on right. Get back around there, that's on there. That's there. That's around there. I think it's time for an idler tensioner pulley. This thing got a lot of tension. The spring going bad. That look right. Let's see here. I'll put all this stuff on. I'll crank this thing up. Move this stuff out the way. Let's see. I don't need this. Need that. I don't need these two. I need this and that. Let me put these tools up. That could fall. Let's see. I ain't had to do that. I'm gonna put this back up. I won't throw no code. I don't have to clear out no codes with my OBD reader. need this shit. Let's crank this thing up, see. Make sure everything running right before I put all that stuff back on there. I already know why I did that. I gotta put that darn thing back on there. Just gotta go back on. I ain't gonna tighten it up so I know for sure. Getting too much air, too much air, sucking too much air. That thing squeaking. Get rid of that squeak. I don't like that. Man, let's say hell. It's coming from here. It's coming from this. Let's see, so I'm gonna try somehow. I don't know if necessarily it's gonna work. I'm gonna try a little bit on there and see. Let's take a little gamble. He ain't going away. A little more on it. I'm still trying to do it just a little bit. though, lubricated. Let's see something. Yeah, after I drive it probably will stop. It just got a little I need to get the inside of the darn belt. I ain't got no straw. This thing supposed to have a little straw on it. That ain't gonna work. I need a straw. I need one of them little straws you stick on the end so you can get further down in there. Let's see here what I got in here. I got yeah, there we go. Here's what I need right there. Yeah, there we go. We gotta get rid of that squeak. I can't do it. Look at that, it's gone. Let's see here. Push the gas, see if it's haha. Well, it's done. Let's see. Oh yeah, we done. A little bit of knowledge. But I'm gonna be replacing that belt, water pump, thermostat. What else I gotta replace? AC compressor. It worked, but hey, it's 20 years old, time for a new one. AC compressor belt. What else is this? Hey, look at this one. That's my other straw right here. I'm looking for it. Must have fell out. Let me make sure it wasn't the straw for this one. No, that straw on there. Sit it right there. Hey, let's put this thing back together. I should go and load this in the back. Turn them up, them things get hot. Turn you up. A little easy peasy DIY. A little easy peasy DIY. Ain't nothing too major. Yeah, hope my motor don't go out, but if it do, I'm going to find me one of them darn man, come out of there. I'll take that out. I could get them kinks out of there. I'm gonna give me one of them LS1 Camaro motors and slap it right on in there. That's all that Cadillac be. That's what it got. What's this? An 8, might be a 9. I'm doing something right. That's it. Trying to get these kinks. Get them kinked up down here in the bottom. And push all them back out. I want to get these things out of here. I can get the ones on the bottom to come out. I'll be all right. Easiest thing to do, take it out. Take it on up out of here and fix it. Come on. That's it. She's a wrap. I'm simple, y'all. Ain't that too hard, nothing too hard. But hey, that's gonna wrap the vlog for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Turn on all post notifications. I'm just looking over everything, make sure everything good. Hey, click that bell. That bell let you know every time I post. But we steady going up in subscribers. It's steady going up. Every day I get a notification. So subscribe. So subscribe. Yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate it because hey, this is my outlet. You know, I'm very, very antisocial. I don't talk to nobody. I stay to myself. I don't talk to nobody. You don't say 2 words to me. I sit beside you. I ain't even gonna say 2 cents to you. But hey, till then, we out.